Hello and welcome to this very important course about user forms or user experience as I call it. This is a most important course that sets apart your programs for a regular standard Excel files. Why? Because with user forms, you can create a professional application experience for your users. With user forms, you essentially create a controlled environment where the user understands what he expects to be doing and interacts with it. This is where your program actually meets the psychology and thinking of the user, and this is what makes a good program attractive and clickable. So there is a lot to be learned about a user experience, and of course we're not going to cover everything, but user forms is about understanding the flow that the user expects to go by when he interacts with your application, is about designing the form in a way that makes sense and explains itself, so to speak, to the user without too much explaining to do. And it's about controlling what the user may or may not do, so he's also being corrected and kind of being routed back to the mainstream of what you intend him to do in case some error occurs or he mistakenly types something that he shouldn't be doing, etc., etc. The basic principle of user form is about designing the template of the form and then populating the form with data from your Excel worksheets and saving the data from the form back to your tables or database of your application. We'll be doing all of that in this chapter. Be prepared, and be prepared to be taken into a new level of user interaction and business applications with Excel.